In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture in Slack. If you want to update your Slack profile so coworkers can recognize you more easily, this is a quick and simple process. Your profile photo appears across conversations, channels, and direct messages, so keeping it current can make communication feel more personal and professional. To begin, open Slack and look toward the lower left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where Slack keeps several personal settings and profile-related options. Once that menu appears, click on Profile. This will open your profile panel, where you can review the information currently attached to your account. If your photo is missing or you want to replace the one that's already there, this is the right place to make that change. Next, click on Edit. This puts your profile into editing mode and allows you to update details, including your profile picture. If you don't immediately notice the option, just look for the button that lets you modify your profile information. After that, click on Upload Photo. Slack will then open your computer's file selection window so you can browse for an image you want to use. This is a good time to choose a clear photo that looks good even at a smaller size, since profile pictures in Slack are usually displayed as small icons. Now choose your photo from your device. Select the image you want, then confirm your choice in the file picker window. If Slack gives you a preview, take a moment to make sure the image is centered nicely and looks the way you want. A well-cropped headshot or simple profile image usually works best. Finally, click on Save Changes. This applies the new profile picture to your Slack account. Once saved, your updated photo should appear on your profile and throughout your workspace. If you don't see the new image right away, give Slack a moment to refresh or close and reopen the profile panel. In some cases, the update may take a few seconds to appear everywhere, and that's it. Changing your profile picture in Slack only takes a minute once you know where to look. Keeping your profile updated can help teammates identify you quickly and gives your account a more polished appearance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.